Welcome to my third class on Module 2, Multiple Random Variables. In this lecture video, we will be discussing the concept of two-variable transformation. Two-variable transformation or bivariate transformation. The bivariate random variables x and y transforms to u and v with the linear transformation equations u is equal to ax plus by, call this one as equation number 9, and v is equal to cx plus dy, call this one as equation number 10. So now I'm going to find the mean, variance and covariance of the transformation equations u and v. To find the value of mean, I'm going to apply the expectation on both the sides. So after applying the expectation, I got the equation expectation of u is equal to expectation of ax plus by and expectation of v is equal to expectation of cx plus dy. So by the properties of expectation, the formula leads to expectation of u is equal to a into expectation of x plus b into expectation of y, and expectation of v is equal to c into expectation of x plus d into expectation of y. So now I got the mean of u and v as mu u is equal to a into mu x plus b into mu y, mu v is equal to c into mu x plus d into mu y. So I'll be calling this one as equation number 11 and this one as equation number 12. So now I'm going to find the value of variance of u and v. Okay, to find the variance of u, the formula is sigma u square is equal to expectation of u minus mu u whole square. So in the place of u, I am replacing ax plus by. In the place of mu u, I am replacing a into mu x plus b into mu y. So I got the equation expectation of ax plus by minus a mu x minus b mu y whole square. So now from this ax and from this a mu x, I am taking a common factor. From by and from b mu y, I am taking b common factor. So I got the equation expectation of a into x minus mu x plus b into y minus mu y whole square. Expanding this equation by using a plus b whole square formula. So I got expectation of a square x minus mu x whole square plus 2ab x minus mu x y minus mu y plus b square y minus mu y whole square. So now by the properties of expectation, the equation leads to a square into expectation of x minus mu x whole square plus 2ab expectation of x minus mu x y minus mu y plus b square expectation of y minus mu y whole square. So since they have given that sigma u square is equal to expectation of u minus mu u whole square, I can replace this expectation of x minus mu x whole square as sigma x square and expectation of y minus mu y whole square as sigma y square, expectation of x minus mu x y minus mu y as covariance of xy. So I got the expression sigma u square is equal to a square sigma x square plus 2ab covariance of xy plus b square sigma y square. Call this one as equation number 13. So now I am going to find the variance of v. Okay, to find the variance of v, the formula is given by sigma v square is equal to expectation of v minus mu v whole square. In the place of v, I am replacing cx plus dy. In the place of mu v, I am replacing c mu x plus d mu y. So I got the equation expectation of cx plus dy minus c mu x minus d mu y whole square. Taking c common from cx and c mu x, taking d common from dy and d mu y. So I got the equation expectation of c into x minus mu x plus d into y minus mu y whole square. Expanding this by using a plus b whole square formula, I got expectation of c square x minus mu x whole square plus 2cd x minus mu x y minus mu y plus d square y minus mu y whole square. So by the properties of expectation, the equation leads to c square expectation of x minus mu x whole square plus 2cd expectation of x minus mu x y minus mu y plus d square expectation of y minus mu y whole square. So it will become sigma v square is equal to c square sigma x square plus 2cd covariance of xy plus d square sigma y square, and call this one as equation number 14. So now I'm going to find the value of covariance of the random variables u and v. So covariance of u and v is given by expectation of u minus mu u, v minus mu v. So replacing u as ax plus by, mu u as a mu x plus b mu y, v as cx plus dy, and mu v as cx c mu x plus d mu y. So I got the equation expectation of ax plus by minus a mu x minus b mu y, cx plus dy minus c mu x minus d mu y. So from this again taking a common, from these two taking b common factor, from these two taking c common factor, from these two taking d common factor. So I got expectation of a into x minus mu x plus b into y minus mu y, c into expectation c into x minus mu x plus d into y minus mu y. So now multiplying each term, I got the equation expectation of ac into x minus mu x whole square plus ad x minus mu x y minus mu y plus bc x minus mu x y minus mu y plus bd y minus mu y whole square. So from these two equations, I can take x minus mu x y minus mu y common factor. I got ad plus bc. So the equation leads to ac into expectation of x minus mu x whole square plus ad plus bc into expectation of x minus mu x y minus mu y plus bd into expectation of y minus mu y whole square. So this one I got from the properties of expectation. So finally I got the equation covariance of uv is equal to ac sigma x square plus ad plus bc covariance of xy plus db sigma square, sigma y square, and call this one as equation number 15. A small note, the transformation equation y is equal to ax plus b has been given. So for this equation, I'm going to find the mean, variance and covariance. So the mean will be given by applying expectation on both the sides. I'll get expectation of y is equal to a into expectation of x plus b. So the equation leads to mu y is equal to a into mu x plus b. And the variance will become sigma y square, a square sigma x square. Now I'm going to find the covariance of xy. The formula is expectation of x minus mu x, y minus mu y. I'm keeping x minus mu x as it is, replacing y as ax plus b and mu y as a mu x plus b. So I got the equation expectation of x minus mu x, ax plus b minus a mu x minus b. B gets cancelled. So taking a common from ax and a mu x, I got expectation of x minus mu x, a into x minus mu x, I got a into expectation of x minus mu x whole square. So I got covariance of xy is equal to a sigma x square. The correlation coefficient rho of x comma y is given by covariance of x comma y by sigma x sigma y. So replacing covariance of xy is ax square and sigma y as plus or minus sigma x from this equation. So sigma x square gets cancelled, a gets cancelled. I got the correlation of xy is plus or minus 1 and the mod of correlation of xy is less than or equal to 1. So next one is rational transformation. So I'm going to consider the following rational transformation through an angle theta. It is given by u is equal to cos theta x minus sin theta y. Call this one as equation number 16. V is equal to sin theta x plus cos theta y, and call this one as equation number 17. Now I'm going to find the inverse of the rational transformation. I'm going to express the equation in terms of x and y. So that is given by x is equal to cos theta u plus sin theta v. Call this one as equation number 18. Y is equal to minus sin theta u plus cos theta v. Call this one as equation number 19. So now I'm going to find the mean, variance and covariance of the random variables x and y. Okay, to find the value of mean, I'm going to apply the expectation for the previous equations 18 and 19. So I got the mean value like this. Mu x is equal to cos theta mu u plus sin theta mu v. Call this one as 20. Mu y is equal to minus sin theta mu u plus cos theta mu v. Call this one as equation 21. So now to find the variance sigma x square, sigma y square and covariance of x comma y, I am going to make use of equation number 13, 14, 15. So in the sigma x square equation, I am going to replace a is equal to cos theta, v is equal to sin theta, b is equal to sin theta, and c is equal to minus sin theta, d is equal to cos theta, and replacing x and y as an u and v. So I got the expression sigma x square is equal to cos square theta sigma u square plus 2 into cos theta sin theta covariance of uv plus sin square theta sigma v square. Call this one as equation number 22. Similarly, sigma y square is given by sin square theta sigma u square minus 2 times of cos theta sin theta cos uv, covariance of uv plus cos square theta sigma v square. Call this one as equation number 23. The covariance of xy is given by sin theta into cos theta sigma u square minus sigma v square plus cos square theta minus sin square theta into covariance of uv. Call this one as equation number 24. So now if the covariance of xy is equal to 0, if x and y are uncorrelated random variables, so we'll be getting covariance of xy is equal to 0. So with this condition, I got the expression sin theta cos theta into sigma v square minus sigma u square plus cos square theta minus sin square theta into covariance of uv is equal to 0. So replacing this sin into cos as sin 2 theta by 2 and replacing cos square theta minus sin square theta as 2 cos 2 theta. So I got the expression sin 2 theta by 2 sigma v square minus sigma u square plus cos 2 theta covariance of uv is equal to 0. So taking 2 LCM, I got sin 2 theta sigma v square minus sigma u square 2 cos 2 theta covariance of uv is equal to 0. So taking this term to RHS, I got sin 2 theta sigma v square minus sigma u square is equal to minus 2 times of cos 2 theta covariance of uv, or sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta is equal to minus 2 times of covariance of uv divided by sigma v square minus sigma u square. So simplifying this, we got tan 2 theta is equal to 2 times of covariance of u comma v by sigma u square minus sigma v square. Problem number 1. For the two-dimensional random variables x and y, mean, variance and the correlation coefficient is given by mu x is equal to 1, sigma x square is equal to 2, mu y is equal to 3, sigma y square is equal to 4. So find the constants a and b if y is equal to ax plus b. So the given equation is y is equal to ax plus b, and they have given the mean values of the random variables x and y and the variance of the random variables x and y. So now we have to find the constant a and b. To find the constant a and b, first I am taking the equation sigma y square is equal to a square sigma x square. So they have given sigma y square is equal to 4, sigma x square is equal to 2. So I am replacing both the values here. So I got a square is equal to 2, a is equal to root 2. Now to find the value of b, I am taking mean equation. It is given by mu y is equal to a mu x plus b. So I am replacing the value of mu y, a mu x. I got the equation 3 is equal to root 2 plus b, or b is equal to 3 minus root 2. So I got the value of b is equal to 1.585. So hence I got the equation y is equal to root 2x plus 1.585 is the transformation equation here. Problem number 2, it is required to have the correlated bivariate random variables u and v such that mu u is equal to 0, mu v is equal to 0, sigma u square is equal to 7, sigma v square is equal to 20, and the correlation coefficient of u comma v is given by 0.5. Specify the uncorrelated random variables x and y and angle theta that will produce the values of u and v. The covariance between u and v is given by the formula covariance of u comma v is equal to rho of u comma v into sigma u sigma v. So I am replacing the value of rho of u comma v, sigma u sigma v here. So I got covariance of u comma v is equal to 0.5 into root 7 into root 20. So I got the covariance of uv is equal to 5.9161. So now I am going to find the value of tan theta. So tan theta is given by 2 times of covariance of uv by sigma u square minus sigma v square. So the tan theta is equal to, I got 2 into 5.9161 by 7 minus 20. So I got 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 times of 5.9161 by 7 minus 20. The angle theta I got minus 21.1537. So now from this angle theta, I am going to find the value of cos and sin thetas. So I got the cos theta is equal to 0.9326 and the sin theta is equal to minus 0.3609. So now I am going to find the value of sigma x square and sigma y square. So sigma x square is given by what? Cos square theta sigma u square plus 2 into cos into sin theta covariance of uv plus sin square theta sigma v square. So now after replacing all the values here, I got sigma x square is equal to 0.9326 whole square into 7, 2 times of 0.9326 into minus 0.3609 into 5.9161 plus minus 0.3609 whole square into 20. So simplifying this, I got the value of sigma x square is equal to 4.7107. Similarly, I am going to find the value of sigma y square. It is given by sin square theta sigma u square minus 2 cos theta into sin theta covariance of u comma v plus cos theta into sigma v square. So I got sigma y square is equal to minus 0.3609 whole square into 7 minus 2 times of 0.9326 into minus 0.3609 into 5.9161 plus 0.9326 whole square into 20. So simplifying this, we got sigma y square is equal to 22.2890. Okay, in the next lecture video, we will discuss few more problems on the two variable transformations. Thank you.